I've blown trades by chasing the markets before, so I totally understand how you feel. But today I use a very simple indicator combo that helps me to catch the trends and not get stuck in it. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use these together to flip my results consistently from losses to consistent wins. Let's get to the charts, guys. Okay guys, so we are in the charts and let's just go over our setup for today and what we're aiming to really get from the market. As you can see, I have a couple of assets that are already selected above, and these are the ones that had the best payout percentages and also had good movement patterns that we can use for the trading strategy we want to actually go ahead to trade today, which is the zigzag and the alligators. This will be our highlight indicators for today, and I'm going to try my best to look for kickback dynamics inside the trend. So we're going to be trading sometimes against the trend and also sometimes in the direction of the trend, depending on what the indicators are showing us and depending on what opportunities we are faced. But I'm going to try my best to really explain how I use these indicators to predict where the market is going next. So just pay attention as much as you can. And a support indicator we'll also be using is our CCI. We're going to be using that to get our overbought and oversold zone. So it's going to give us an idea where the market is going next. So that's pretty much it for our indicators. You can see the settings of the indicators already, so I'm not going to go ahead to explain that more. Another thing, if you want to use the fractal, you don't need to use the zigzag actually, because they actually perform the same function. They're just telling you the highs and the lows, the turning points of the markets. So that's pretty much it for our intro. I'm starting with $35, which is half of my starting balance. Yeah, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed, guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you like content like this. You definitely want to stick around because I have so much content waiting to just upload for you guys. Let's get our first entry, guys, and we will start trading.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so here I took a sell. This is our first drill actually. And I opened against the direction of the trend actually. And if the movement goes even higher than this, I'm gonna take a deal in the buy direction. If it goes higher than this, it would mean something else, and I'll also explain that. So right here, I'm opening the trade against the trend because we can see the CCI moving lines. They're slightly exiting the overbought zone, which is indicating that we're going to be moving down. Also, we are at a very pivotal level. As we can see, the zigzag has updated a maximum, and after a maximum, of course, we can expect price to go down. There are also two touch points in this area, as you can see, guys. So all these together is just confluencing and telling us that okay, market wants to go down. I'm going to go with that. The alligator lines have also given a cross intersection, which is indicating the reversal is in play. Okay, so we lost the first one. Just like I mentioned, guys, if we lose the first one, we're going to open a position in a buy, because it means the price is not going to reverse now, but it's going to go ahead to make a higher maximum. So that's what we're expecting to see now. This movement should actually take us higher. I was expecting there to be a reversal at that point, but since price did not reverse at that point, it means that it wants to push even higher. And we can also see that from the alligator moving lines. We can see the the harsh intersection of the alligator moving lines. So we didn't get our retracement. We will be getting a push up. We should get a decent push up actually. And yeah, just like that, guys. You can see the price is pushing up very aggressively right now, just like we predicted. You have to know how to maneuver in the market and always change your bias depending on what you're seeing real time. Don't be stuck into one bias, guys. And yeah, and our second deal is in a profit, guys. So we're back at our starting balance, slightly lower because of the first trade. We have a loss, but it's fine, no problem. Let's up our balance and then we'll keep on trading, guys. I'm going to try and get a very careful optimal entry just to make sure we don't lose it, because I have to recover back the money that we lost and make some profit. That's the whole idea.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay guys, so we just entered a third entry here and I chose a promotion. I chose a buy all day here because I saw the formation of a new minimum and that's what really pushed me to enter. I was a bit hesitant. So we can see there's a gradual uptrend which is happening here. We can see that these key areas, and we can also see that the CCI oscillator was practically touching the oversold zone. There is a reversal that's about to happen right now. There is more downward. You can see, guys, everything is pushing to the upside. Everything is pushing to the upside. We had some decent touch points down below and prices kept on pushing up after each bounce. Now the zigzag has already updated with its local minimum, so we should be getting a decent push upwards. Now even if this doesn't break the resistance above, we should be getting a push upwards still. Just as we can see, we closed in a profit, so now we are finally in profit. We've made more than our capital. Let's keep on going and see how we can maximize our profits for today. I will be honest, like the market has been kind of tricky today, so getting the trades have taken more effort than they usually do. Okay guys, so let's see about this one. I'm opening a trade on a sell for this one, and it is also a risky deal. Just like I mentioned, almost all the trades today are kind of tricky, but still we still need to make some money. So in this one, I'm kind of focusing on, you know, these dynamics. We can see this push that happened here, these kickbacks, the retracements that happened here. They have been pushing to the alligator moving lines and falling back from that level. So we can see a slight downward trend, if you will, or a downward channel happening right now. And so I'm expecting that down channel to continue. Now, we're focusing on the trend for this one. We're not trading against the trend. We can see it gradually going down with the trend. The alligators moving lines are acting as a resistance, you know, and we're just following that. Being that price is again on the alligator moving lines, we took the trade for a sell. We are in profit. Sweet guys, just like that. Just like that. If you guys need help with your trading, if you're a beginner or an intermediate, you're not making as much money as you want to, check the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel. It's completely for free, and I'm giving you guys my personal tips, my personal strategies that I use to make money consistently. So if you want to be part of that completely for free, check my Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So this one I'm taking a sell, guys, and this one is actually, it's not with the same logic as the previous one. This one is against the current trend, but we're kind of trying to get the exact area of reversal. So this is the kind of risky deal. I wouldn't advise you to get this kind of deal for now, if you're just starting out with this strategy. So we can see that the zigzag has already updated for a maximum at that top, and now we should be expecting price to make even if it's a short retracement. Now the CCI oscillator is already, you know, exiting the overbought zone, sorry. And, you know, after exiting the overbought zone, we should expect some retracement going down. I'm not really using the alligators moving lines for this particular trade. They're just showing me the momentum of the upward movement, as you can see, guys. But the main indicators I use for this trade is my CCI and also the zigzag indicator. And just like that, guys, we're already in profit again. We're already in profit. Sweet, guys. So I'm gonna take should I take one more trade today? Let me take one more trade, guys. I'm gonna take one more trade today and just solidify our results for today. But I'm already really satisfied with what we've made so far. But let's just put in the last one and see if we can you know, make some more profits. Okay, guys. So for this one, I opened a deal, a down move, because I am seeing a full-on downtrend going on right now, and Wow, see the push happening just as soon as we enter the trade. This is really making me happy. So I'm expecting the price to, bounce off the alligator lines and just keep on going down. Because you can see throughout, we can see that the alligator moving lines have been, working as a resistance, like as a dynamic resistance. And so seeing that price is also on the alligator moving lines right now, I was expecting it to keep on, pushing down after touching the alligator moving lines, and that's what prompted me to enter this trade. Actually, I didn't really use the CCI for this one. I just took the alligator moving lines as a dynamic resistance zone. Ah shit, guys, just in the last couple of seconds. Fuck, damn, I really thought we had this one in the bags, guys. But that's it about trading. You can't really predict the market 100%. Like, some of your deals will be in a loss, and yeah, something probably happened that made that market to just spike up at the ending. But it's fine, guys. I'm still very satisfied with the profits that we made for today. So let's lock those in, and yeah, let's go ahead to withdraw, guys. I use USDT SEC, very convenient for me, and total amount of profit we made is roughly around 330 USD, guys. I am pretty satisfied with this. Like, I'm not greedy in the market. After trading for a while, you learn not to be greedy. So whatever the market gives you that day, you just take it and, be satisfied, be content with that. And that is it, guys. I mean, like, it's a simple strategy, but it does take some time to get used to. So if you need to, you can watch this video again. And if you have any questions, drop in the comments. I'd love to help you as much as I possibly can. Drop in the comments any way I can help you. I will try my best to help you. And also, don't forget, my free Telegram group is in the description of this video. If you want to join that, make sure to click the link under this video, free of charge. I'm going to give you more insights to the markets and more material that you can use to actually start up your trading journey. If you haven't yet started, or if you started, you're not making as much money as you want to, still join the group, and I'll try my best to help you as much as I can. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.